Welcome to our channel. Today we venture into the remarkable world of gardening, a realm brimming with life. From the commonplace spice rack to the humble fruit bowl, discover how everyday items can be transformed into powerful allies in your quest for a flourishing garden.
Our journey begins with a familiar aroma: cinnamon. A delicate dusting of cinnamon on the soil acts as a protective barrier against fungal infections, safeguarding your plants. This simple act can make a world of difference in the health and vitality of your garden.
Next, we encounter the unassuming banana peel, often discarded without a second thought. By burying banana peels in the soil, we provide a slow-release fertilizer, ensuring our plants thrive. This natural process mimics the cycle of life in a rainforest, where fallen leaves and fruit nourish the forest floor.
Our journey continues with Epsom salt, a readily available source of magnesium. By supplementing our garden with Epsom salt, we enhance chlorophyll production, resulting in lusher, greener foliage. This simple solution can make a noticeable difference in their growth and overall health. Coffee grounds, often relegated to the waste bin, possess an unexpected benefit for the discerning gardener. Rich in nitrogen, coffee grounds can be mixed into compost or sprinkled directly onto the soil, fueling robust growth. This natural amendment improves soil structure, drainage, and nutrient retention, creating an ideal environment for plant roots to flourish.
Eggshells, seemingly fragile, hold the key to strengthening our plants' defenses. Crushing eggshells and scattering them around the base of our plants provides a natural calcium supplement. This essential nutrient strengthens plant cell walls, making them less susceptible to damage.
Our exploration leads us to vinegar, a common household item that doubles as an effective weed control agent. A simple spray of vinegar directly on unwanted plants helps maintain a pristine and thriving garden. This eco-friendly solution eliminates the need for harsh chemicals, protecting both your garden and the environment. Baking soda, a staple in our kitchens, holds the secret to sweeter, more flavorful tomatoes. Sprinkling baking soda around the base of tomato plants is a simple yet effective way to enhance their taste. This simple trick can significantly improve the flavor and sweetness of your tomato harvest.
Hydrogen peroxide, often found in first aid kits, can also breathe life into our gardens. Watering our plants with this solution helps prevent root rot, ensuring their long-term health and vitality. This simple technique promotes healthy root growth by providing essential oxygen to the roots.
Aloe vera, renowned for its healing properties, also aids in plant propagation. Dipping the cut end of a stem into aloe vera gel before planting significantly increases its chances of successful rooting. This simple step can dramatically improve the success rate of propagating your favorite plants.
Our final hack takes inspiration from nature's own defense mechanisms: companion planting. Marigolds, for instance, release a scent that deters aphids, making them ideal companions for vulnerable plants like tomatoes. The marigolds, with their vibrant colors, act as natural pest repellents, protecting the tomatoes from aphid infestations.
And so, our journey through the fascinating world of gardening hacks comes to an end. We've uncovered the hidden potential of everyday items, transforming them into powerful allies in our quest for a thriving garden. Embrace the natural world. Experiment with these hacks and witness the remarkable transformations that unfold. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks to help you create the garden of your dreams.